Okay, hello everyone. My name is Crystal, and I am doing um, the exercise to chapter 6, exercise 7. Let me share my screen. I'm not sure if that was correct. Okay, this is new to me, so I hope this works out great, and I do apologize if it does not, but if not, I'll redo it. I did start earlier on a broadcast, but didn't share my screen. So A1 is already completed. Uh, basically, it was asking in A1 for us to calculate the weighted average unit cost. What I did was I took the units, which was from June 1st through June 23rd. So 119, 406, and 207. I calculated those three, and adding those together, I received the number of 732. Okay, and next I calculated total costs, which was $595, $2,436, plus $1,449. I calculated those, added them together, and received the number of $4,480. So to get the average or the weighted average cost, so average usually means that you're going to divide something, which is total costs by units. So when doing that, taking the $4,480 by 732, I received 6.120. And I left it at 6.120 because it does ask us to round the answer to 3 decimal places. Okay. Now the next one, I haven't submitted to see if these calculations are correct. But just from me reviewing, I think I understand it somewhat. So FIFO, F-I-F-O, basically stands for first in, first out. Okay, so what we're going to do with that is we're going to start, let's see, from the bottom and go and try to go up from there. So we're going to start at 207 right here where the units are. So we'll do 207 times 7. Okay. And then we're only going to go up to the number of 238. So you subtract 207 from 238 to see what your next number is. So with that, I did 207 times 7, okay, which is $1,449. And then if you take 207 from 38, that's 31. So I took 31, and the next number up here is 6. So 31 times 6, which is $186. Adding those together, you get 1635, which is what I put right here, 1635. Okay. And then the number that we received up here for total cost, which was $4,480, I basically subtracted the $1,635 that I received down here from the $4,480 of total cost, and received the number of $2,845. Okay. Now the next thing that we're going to calculate is LIFO, which is last in, first out. So instead of starting from the bottom, which was 207, we're going to start from the top, last in, first out. We're still equaling the inventory of 238. So with LIFO, I calculated 119 because the beginning inventory is 119. And if we take 238, which is the ending inventory minus the beginning inventory, we get 119 as well. So the first would be 119 right here, the beginning, times 5. When doing that, I received $595. Okay. And then the second, which is the difference from the ending inventory to the beginning inventory, is 119. The next amount in line is $6. So it's going to be 119 times 6, which is $714. When adding those two together, I get 1309, which I put 1309 down here. Okay. And then once I calculated that, I went down to the cost of goods sold, which again, it's the total cost. So these three numbers added together, which was $4,480 minus, minus the 1,635 that we received. So when doing that, I received the number of, 1,309. I received the number of $3,171. So I put that right there. Let's see, and then we have the average cost. Which we times this 6.120 that we got right here, the weighted average unit cost. I times that with how did I do that again? Okay, with this, or I subtracted, sorry. So the average is just subtracting the $4,480 minus the $1,456, and that's how I got this, which we will see if any of these answers are correct. Okay, and they are. I am so sorry. I feel like I was all over the place. If you have any questions, please let me know. I can answer questions and even type up a detailed breakdown of everything. I hope that this helps somewhat, and thank you all for watching this with me. Thank you. Bye.